Negotiating ISF fines. Strategies for importers. Welcome to our video on ISF fine negotiation and customs enforcement actions. In this video, we will delve into the topic of importer security filing, ISF, fines and how importers can navigate the process of negotiating fines and addressing customs enforcement actions. Understanding this process is crucial for importers to effectively manage penalties and maintain compliance. Let's get started. Importer security filing, ISF. Fines can occur when importers fail to comply with the ISF requirements, such as late or inaccurate submissions. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, has the authority to impose fines for non-compliance, as part of their efforts to ensure importers meet their import obligations. Importers should understand the process of fine negotiation and customs enforcement actions to effectively manage these penalties. In situations where importers receive a notice of an ISF fine, it is essential to carefully review the notice and assess the accuracy of the violations cited. Taking prompt action is crucial to address the fines and mitigate the potential consequences that may arise from non-compliance. Engaging with a customs attorney or trade compliance professional with expertise in fine negotiation is highly recommended. Working with a customs attorney or trade compliance professional can help importers navigate the complex process of fine negotiation and customs enforcement actions. These professionals possess an in-depth knowledge of the customs laws and regulations, as well as the fines and penalties associated with non-compliance. They can provide legal advice, represent the importer in communication with CBP, and help negotiate a resolution. When faced with fines, importers should carefully review the notice and identify any errors or discrepancies in the alleged violations. It is important to determine if the fines were issued correctly and if there are any valid grounds for dispute. Working with a customs attorney can help importers assess the validity of the fines and pursue appropriate strategies for negotiation and resolution. In some cases, importers may have grounds to dispute the fines issued by CBP. This could be a result of incorrect or misunderstood information by CBP or other extenuating circumstances. Customs attorneys can help importers gather the necessary evidence, prepare a well-documented case, and engage in discussions with CBP to challenge the fines. Resolving these disputes often requires effective negotiation skills and a deep understanding of customs laws. Importers should be prepared to engage in open and transparent communication with CBP during fine negotiation. This includes responding to CBP inquiries promptly, providing additional information or documentation to support the case, and addressing any concerns raised by CBP. A cooperative and proactive approach can help establish a dialogue and increase the chances of reaching a mutually acceptable resolution. During fine negotiation, importers should be prepared to demonstrate their commitment to compliance. This can include presenting evidence of improved internal processes, training programs for staff, and any corrective actions implemented to rectify the non-compliance that led to the fines. Demonstrating a proactive approach to compliance can be instrumental in negotiating a reduction or elimination of the fines. Importers should also consider the potential impact of fine negotiation on future interactions with CBP. Building a positive working relationship with CBP is important for ongoing customs compliance. Importers should strive to address the fines in a manner that not only resolves the current situation but also fosters goodwill and cooperation with CBP in the long term. While negotiation is a common approach to handling fines, importers should also be prepared for other customs enforcement actions that may result from non-compliance. These actions can include increased inspections, heightened scrutiny of future shipments, or other measures to ensure compliance. By addressing fines effectively, importers can minimize the risk of further enforcement actions. It is important to note that each case of ISF fines and customs enforcement actions is unique. The appropriate strategy for negotiating fines may vary depending on the specific circumstances and the importer's compliance history. Customs attorneys and trade compliance professionals can provide tailored guidance and develop a strategy that aligns with the importer's objectives and establishes a positive outcome. To avoid fines and the need for fine negotiation, importers should prioritize compliance with ISF requirements. This includes filing the ISF accurately and in a timely manner, maintaining proper record-keeping practices, and staying informed about changes in customs laws and regulations. Prevention is always better than having to navigate the process of fine negotiation and facing potential penalties. In conclusion, fine negotiation and customs enforcement actions are important aspects of managing ISF fines. Importers should engage with customs attorneys or trade compliance professionals to navigate the fine negotiation process effectively. By responding promptly, gathering necessary evidence, and demonstrating commitment to compliance, importers can work towards resolutions that minimize the impact of fines and maintain a positive relationship with CBP. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the process of fine negotiation and addressing customs enforcement actions. Remember, seeking professional guidance is crucial when facing fines to ensure the best possible outcome. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos on customs brokerage and international trade topics.